Imagine a world where banks are no longer needed, where you control your money, and where a single investment could change your life. That world is here, and it's called cryptocurrency. If you've been hearing about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or blockchain, but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Let's dive into the future of finance, script, understanding crypto, a beginner's guide to the future of finance. Welcome to SmartCoin Chronicles. Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about financial topics in the world, cryptocurrency. If you're a beginner or curious about how crypto is transforming our economy, this is your one-stop guide to understanding the basics, the potential, and how you can get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how crypto works, its benefits, risks, and why it's considered the future of finance. Segment 1. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography. It's decentralized, meaning no single authority, like a bank or government, controls it. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, over 20,000 cryptocurrencies have been developed, including Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cardano. Key features of cryptocurrency: digital only, no physical coins or bills, it exists entirely online. Secure transactions, cryptography ensures safe, transparent transactions. Blockchain technology, a public ledger that records every transaction, making it nearly tamper-proof. Global accessibility, anyone with an internet connection can use or invest in crypto. Segment 2. How does cryptocurrency work? At the heart of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Think of it as a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a group of transactions. Once recorded, these transactions cannot be altered. Transactions are verified through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems. Everyday uses of cryptocurrency: payments, buy goods and services online with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins like USDT. Investments, many people hold crypto as a long-term investment, similar to stocks. Smart contracts, Ethereum allows programmable contracts to execute automatically when conditions are met. Decentralized finance, DeFi, borrow, lend, and trade crypto without banks. Segment 3. Why is cryptocurrency so popular? Potential for high returns. Early investors in Bitcoin saw exponential growth, turning small investments into life-changing wealth. Decentralization. It's not controlled by governments or banks, giving individuals full control of their assets, transparency and security. Blockchain technology ensures that every transaction is visible. Accessibility. You can start with as little as $10 and trade anytime, anywhere. Popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin BTC, the original cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. Ethereum ETH, known for its smart contracts and vast ecosystem. Binance Coin BNB, popular for trading and its utility on the Binance platform. Segment 4. Risks and challenges of crypto volatility. Prices can swing wildly in a short amount of time. For example, Bitcoin has seen gains of over 300% and losses of 50% in the same year. Regulation. Many governments are trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Scams. Always be cautious of fake projects and phishing schemes. Security. If you lose your private keys or wallet, your funds are gone forever. Pro tips to manage risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use trusted wallets and exchanges. Diversify your investments. Segment 5. How to get started with crypto. Step 1. Learn the basics. Watch videos like this one and read trusted resources. Step 2. Choose an exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken allow you to buy and sell crypto. Step 3. Set up a wallet. Decide between a hot wallet online or a cold wallet offline. Step 4. Start small. Begin with small investments in well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 5. Stay updated. The crypto world evolves quickly, so follow credible news sources and updates. Segment 6. Why crypto is the future of finance, 1531 to 1730. As the world becomes increasingly digital, cryptocurrencies are poised to play a significant role in global finance. From cross-border transactions to financial inclusion for the unbanked, crypto has the potential to revolutionize how we think about money. Major companies like Tesla, Visa, and PayPal are already adopting cryptocurrency, signaling its growing importance. Cryptocurrency isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in how we manage and think about money. If you've learned something new today, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles for more financial insights and tips. Let us know in the comments. What do you think about the future of crypto? Are you ready to start your journey?